Hey everyone, Dr. Emi here with Nature's Feature. I'm thrilled to have you join us today. Are you or a loved one managing the symptoms of diabetes? It's a journey that can be challenging, but you're not alone. Listen, I know it can be tough. You're constantly thinking about what you eat and how it impacts your blood sugar. Every meal becomes a calculation, and it can feel overwhelming. Well, in this video, we're diving deep into the top 7 vegetables that can be your secret weapon in managing diabetes and reclaiming your health. These aren't just any vegetables. They are packed with nutrients that can help stabilize your blood sugar levels. We're going to break down the amazing science behind why these veggies are absolute rock stars when it comes to keeping those blood sugar levels stable. You'll learn about the specific compounds in these vegetables that make them so effective. We'll explore their incredible nutritional benefits, why they're must-haves on your plate, and how they can help you manage diabetes symptoms naturally. From fiber to antioxidants, these veggies have it all. Whether you're newly diagnosed or have been managing diabetes for a while, this video is packed with clear explanations and practical tips that you can easily incorporate into your daily life. We'll also share some delicious recipes and meal planning ideas to make it easier for you. So, if you're ready to take control of your health and thrive, stick around because this video is for you. Together, we can make managing diabetes a little bit easier and a lot more delicious. First up, we've got spinach, the leafy green powerhouse. This humble green is packed with nutrients that can do wonders for your health. Now, you might remember spinach from those old Popeye cartoons, and guess what? Popeye was onto something. Spinach isn't just for building muscles, it's a nutritional goldmine. Spinach is loaded with fiber, which is like a best friend to your blood sugar. Fiber helps keep your digestive system running smoothly and keeps you feeling full longer. See, fiber slows down how quickly your body digests and absorbs sugar, preventing those dreaded sugar spikes. This means more stable energy levels throughout the day. And when it comes to managing diabetes, stable blood sugar is the name of the game. Consistent blood sugar levels can help you avoid the highs and lows that can be so challenging to manage. But that's not all, folks. Spinach is also bursting with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that protect your cells from damage. These antioxidants can help reduce oxidative stress in your body. We're talking about fighting off inflammation and reducing the risk of complications from diabetes. Inflammation is a key player in many chronic diseases, and spinach can help keep it in check. Plus, spinach is super low in calories, so you can pile it onto your plate without feeling guilty. It's a great way to add volume to your meals without adding extra calories. Throw it into your salads, blend it into smoothies, or saute it up as a side dish. Spinach is versatile and delicious. Whether you're looking for a quick snack or a hearty meal, spinach can fit the bill. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab a bunch of spinach. Your body will thank you for it, and you'll be well on your way to better blood sugar management and overall health. Next on our list is broccoli, a true superhero in disguise. Don't let its unassuming appearance fool you. Broccoli packs a powerful punch when it comes to managing blood sugar. One of its secret weapons is a compound called sulforaphane. Now, sulforaphane has been shown to improve blood sugar control and even protect your blood vessels from the damage that high blood sugar can cause. We're talking about lowering your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other complications. And the best part? Broccoli is incredibly versatile. You can steam it, roast it, stir-fry it, or even enjoy it raw with a healthy dip. Get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different flavors and seasonings to make broccoli a regular staple in your diet. Let's move on to kale, another leafy green superstar that deserves a spot on your plate. Kale is like the overachiever of the vegetable world, jam-packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your overall health. But when it comes to diabetes, its high fiber content is what steals the show. Remember, fiber is key to regulating blood sugar levels and preventing those energy crashes. And kale is no slouch in the flavor department either. It's got a slightly bitter and earthy taste that adds depth to salads, soups, and even smoothies. You can even massage kale with a little olive oil and sea salt to soften it up and make it more palatable. So, don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Number 4, bell peppers, the colorful crunch. Now let's add some color to our plates with bell peppers. These vibrant vegetables come in a variety of colors, including red, green, yellow, and even orange. Each color brings its own unique flavor and nutritional benefits to the table. These vibrant veggies are not only visually appealing, but also incredibly good for you, especially if you're managing diabetes. The different colors of bell peppers indicate the presence of various phytonutrients, which are beneficial plant compounds that can help improve your health. Bell peppers are naturally low in carbs, which means they won't send your blood sugar soaring. This makes them an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Plus, they're packed with vitamins A and C, powerful antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good vision and a healthy immune system, while vitamin C is crucial for skin health and boosting your immune system. And let's not forget about their satisfying crunch. The crisp texture of bell peppers can add a delightful element to any dish, making your meals more enjoyable. Bell peppers add a delightful texture to salads, stir-fries, and even sandwiches. Their versatility in the kitchen is unmatched, allowing you to experiment with various recipes and cooking methods. You can also get creative and stuff them with healthy fillings like lean protein and quinoa for a delicious and nutritious meal. Stuffed bell peppers are a great way to enjoy a balanced meal that's both satisfying and good for you. So the next time you're at the grocery store, grab a rainbow of bell peppers and let your taste buds explore. Whether you eat them raw, cooked, or stuffed, bell peppers are a fantastic addition to any diet. Number 5. Asparagus, the fiber-rich delight. Moving on to asparagus, a springtime favorite that's both delicious and beneficial for blood sugar control. Asparagus is a great source of fiber, which we know is crucial for slowing down sugar absorption and keeping those levels stable. But here's a bonus. Asparagus is also rich in folate, a B vitamin that plays a vital role in cell growth and development. Folate is especially important for people with diabetes, as it can help protect against nerve damage, a common complication of the condition. And let's not forget about its versatility in the kitchen. Asparagus can be grilled, roasted, sautéed, or even added to pasta dishes for a touch of elegance. So, embrace the season and enjoy this fiber-rich delight. Number 6. Green beans, the diabetes-friendly staple. Up next, we have green beans, a classic side dish that's both comforting and beneficial for managing diabetes. Green beans are naturally low in carbs and high in fiber, making them a perfect addition to your plate. They're also a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. And let's not forget about their versatility. Green beans can be steamed, sautéed, roasted, or even added to casseroles and stews. They're like a blank canvas for flavors, so don't be afraid to experiment with different herbs, spices, and seasonings. So, make green beans a regular staple in your diet and enjoy their blood sugar-friendly benefits. Number 7. Brussels sprouts, the tiny but mighty crucifer. Last but not least, we have Brussels sprouts, those tiny but mighty members of the cruciferous vegetable family. Brussels sprouts are often overlooked, but they're nutritional powerhouses that can do wonders for your blood sugar control. They're packed with fiber, which we know is essential for regulating blood sugar levels. But here's the kicker. Brussels sprouts also contain antioxidants like glucosinolates, which have been linked to a reduced risk of insulin resistance. And let's not forget about their versatility in the kitchen. Brussels sprouts can be roasted, sautéed, steamed, or even shredded and enjoyed raw in salads. So don't be afraid to experiment with different cooking methods and seasonings to find your favorite way to enjoy these tiny but mighty veggies. Take control of your diabetes journey. So there you have it, folks. The top 7 vegetables that can be your secret weapons in managing diabetes and living a healthier life. Remember, incorporating these nutrient-rich veggies into your daily diet can make a world of difference in stabilizing your blood sugar levels, reducing your risk of complications, and improving your overall well-being. Stay tuned to the end for bonus tips on how to make the most out of these vegetables. Don't miss this essential guide. It's packed with valuable information to help you thrive despite the challenges of diabetes. And as always, if you're struggling with managing your diabetes, please reach out to your healthcare provider for personalized guidance and support. Take care and stay healthy.